It's been said that our hands are the best tools we have available to us, and for local ceramicist Duma Mthimkulu, this is a daily truth. Featured as one of the 2018 Design Indaba Emerging Creatives, his work has graced many an exhibition.
If you look at the ceramic industry in South Africa, we have a lot of potters, which is like studio-based ceramists, but we do not have a lot of ceramic artists. What I'm trying to do is sort of break boundaries with this medium of ceramics and make works that have a message instead of just making utilitarian works like mugs and bowls and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to break boundaries. I'm trying to sort of start off a new era whereby ceramics can also be seen as a form of art instead of just a cheap medium that is being undermined. My inspiration comes from social issues. A lot of my wall panels, the plates that I paint on, is a way for me to sort of comment on social issues that are happening around me. Like I was raised by a single mother, so I comment a lot on that. I comment a lot on the issues that are affecting the young kids. My verses are inspired by natural forms, landscapes, and natural elements like the soil. Behind me is my favorite piece titled Ngibheka Kuwe, I Look to You, which is based also on single mothers and me being raised by a single mother and looking up to her for guidance and the rules that she raised me by, and just the way that women play a role in our societies in guiding and raising young men in our societies. So I love this piece a lot because of the message and also because of the way that it was made. I started it from scratch. I made the canvases, and also it made it into the Tamimiele art competition, which is the Ekurhuleni fine art competition last year, into the top 100.
Working with one's hands gives the maker the liberty to create pieces that can bring life to people's homes and environments. Metal sculptor Sarag Cronin tells us about her handmade designs.
So I mainly do bespoke handmade water features. I have extended my range now from water features also into interior products for the home, but I specialize in botanical designs. So anything from a water feature to a light, custom made for the client in a botanical design. I use copper, and the reason for that is that it doesn't rust or disintegrate. The copper can sit in the water for years. The older the copper gets, the nicer the colors change. And it's really an investment, the copper. It's very malleable, it ticks all the boxes. I source my copper from a big plant in Germiston in Wadeville, where I buy it in sheets. And then once I use the big pieces, I keep the scraps and I send it back and it's recycled. My favorite piece has to be the aloe, which is behind me. It's really when my designs became more sculptural and it moved into the next phase of my designing process. So the process that I do is I first cut out the template out of paper and then it's traced onto the copper sheet. By then I cut it by hand with my snips, so it gives it a real natural feel. There's no laser cutting involved at all. If I need to put veins into the leaves, I roll it through a machine. It's then copper to copper brazing, which is very strong and holds the items together. It then all is layered up piece by piece and added till eventually the piece is complete and the water pipes are in, and that's it. Outside is one of my latest works. It's a globe artichoke, and it combines the ceramic pieces with the copper, which gives it a whole new look and feel, and you can bring in all different colors. The reason why I love doing this is that every day I get to come in and to make something that is creative. You know, you've got something physical that's been made and hopefully will stay around for a long time.